So you want to be able to go ahead and display keys that you're currently typing on your screen. Say I wanted to copy this, you can see that it says that Control C has been selected. I press backspace, backspace has deleted this material off of my screen. If I press Control V, it pastes this material, so on and so forth. Well, we'll talk to you about how this can be achieved today and show you a step-by-step guide of how you can get about the exact same settings. The first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to go to the website that is found in the description, this one right here. After that, you're going to scroll over to the right hand side, click on the releases. You'll end up on this website, and in case you aren't able to find it, you can just type this in. Scroll down and you'll see these pre-releases. See this? You don't need these. Pre-releases are basically fancy new versions of software, but they aren't the stable version. So you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna find the latest tab. See this? Currently it's running version 1.0.6, and you're gonna scroll down a little bit further and you're going to download whatever file version exists.exe. Click on this. This is going to take a few seconds to download, fundamentally speaking. Navigate to your downloads folder. Open up your downloads section and you'll see this file called keyviz.exe. Run this and follow the natural steps of installation that you usually encounter. Accept the agreement. If you feel like it, you can read through this, but well, I guess no one reads that stuff anyways. If you want, you can create a desktop shortcut, not necessary. Keep on clicking. You can launch Keyviz directly, but I'll not do so. Instead, I'll show you how to launch it. You can go to your start, and anytime you want, you can just access it by typing out the word Keyviz. Open this application. The application is now open. You will find this in the bottom right hand corner on your tabs icon. So this is actually the on-off version of it. Interesting. But you can essentially click on it and get the settings on essentially. Right now, we have it set up so that it's currently showing any and all inputs. Right. You can go through this and select the general tab, and you can look at the fact that this is actually working. Right. So you see this currently just by doing that, you can see any kind of key presses that I have. Like if I do something like alt tab, shows that it alt tabs out of things. If you go ahead and do control tab, it shows that I've done control T for a new tab essentially. Similarly, if you want, you can modify the settings that you are going to go ahead and place by right clicking and going to the settings icon. You can change it to only display hotkeys, for example. You can change a few of these options here if you prefer to do so, but that's generally the gist. So this is now essentially running just as expected. If I do WASDA, you'll see that a number of things are being typed in. If I select this and I press Control C, you'll see that this is working, right? Finally, at any time, if you want to go ahead and delete this or switch it off, you can just click here directly, and this is by default already switched off. You can see that nothing really happens anymore. You can click this to switch it on again, or if you want, you can right click on this and just click turn it off. Anytime you want to access this application and this is restarted, you can similarly go ahead and type in Keyviz, and you will get the application that you can open. And if you feel like uninstalling it, you can just click on uninstall and it'll give you the system settings required for this if you so choose it in the future. Have a nice day.